Today, we're going to be discussing wiring of speakers in a car. Your customers likely don't know all the details of putting a new stereo into their vehicle and how to wire the speakers in their new sound system. Back in the day, when stereos first went into cars, manufacturers ran 16 or 18 gauge wire from the radio to the positive terminal on the speaker and one from the negative speaker terminal to the nearest spot that was a good ground, and that was it. Most vehicles had one speaker for each channel and had very low wattage. The magnets on the speakers were about the size of a quarter and the cones were made of paper. Fast forward to today, and it's an entirely new game. Speakers are much bigger and systems can have 10 to 20 speakers in them. Power outputs on amplifiers has gone through the roof. 15 and 18-inch subs can now rattle glass and trunklets. All this takes abundant power and power sources. In another video, we discussed wiring that power, and now we will look at doing the same for the speakers. Planning is a key. How much power are you trying to move and how far? If your amps are nearer to the speakers, you can use smaller wire. Is it going to be wired in series or parallel? Wiring in parallel will lower the impedance and provide more sound, but not all amps can handle the lower impedance. Be sure to check your amp to see what ohm rating it is designed for. Wire sizing is critical. Sizing will be guided by the formula watts equals amps times volts. Using amps and watts in the system and the system supplied wire guide, you can recommend the appropriate wire sizing. Helping your customer choose all the supplies is very important. Connectors are a critical part of the installation. Wires should be color-coded to allow troubleshooting and ease of wiring. Runs should be straight and neatly bundled. Wire ties and grommets that are insulated make for a neat, safe install. These systems create a lot of vibration. Everything needs to be secure to minimize chafing. Don't forget circuit protection. Circuit breakers and fuses are everywhere in a high-power system. Yes, even on the speaker side. Special tools like soldering devices and shrink wrap are also very helpful. Anything you can do to remind your customers of what they need on this type of installation will go a long way in ensuring customer satisfaction. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you next time.